Oh, it definitely does not, dude.
They don't eat those, bro.
Leave it on the ground down here. It's going further down. Oh, what a throw, man. Come here.
We have made it to our base camp. We got a little fire pit that's already here. We are setting up a tent, trying to do it pretty quickly because although the weather's fine right now, there are pretty big clouds back there. So once we get the tent up and get our stuff in there, it'll be good. This is a big moment, folks.
Nice. Nice, bro.
All right, we got our fire, success. Dinner over here, success. Hammocks over here, success. 3, 2, 1. Well. Cook it.
Bright as a star, warm like you, the nighttime homes sound so true that I go to lie beneath the blue, fall asleep by a candle with a meal.
Cooking salmon on the fire. Only this salmon is this.
How'd you sleep?
Pretty good, man. You were attached to my hammock, though, given the strap situation.
I slept there.
And every time he shakes in the night, which he does a lot, he was shaking me.
I was trying to get comfortable.
Yeah, me too.
We all slept in the hammocks, and at one point I got so cold because my water bottle opened up and spilled into my sleeping bag. So I had to shuffle to keep warm. But I guess Jack felt that too. But look at the view.
Come on.
He's done, you'll come over here. This is our water situation. It's pretty crazy. You put lake water in that big bag, and then it filters out. You have fresh water. This thing basically would make us able to live here forever. Making some coffee. Who has the milk? We schlepped our fly rods all the way up to this lake. Now we're gonna fish. We better catch one. Do you think we're gonna catch a fish?
No.
I've been cradled by the warmth of the air. All I know is love and light when I'm going out on a clear blue night. All I know is love and light when I'm lit up like the northern lights.
We're here on the other side of the lake. All the way across is our tent situation up on those cliffs. So we're on the opposite side fishing. We just saw some crazy big fish here. Sad news, we're heading back to camp. No luck fishing. Been feeling very weak today.
Look at how feeble this guy looks.
I'm gonna go in the water and then drink some water and hopefully that helps. I think it's a combination of the altitude and what else? I don't even know. We're getting water. Watch.
Need help, man?
Keep going, keep going.
Keep trying, man. There you go. Do that one more time.
Oh yeah. What's up, Jack?
What's up?
We got our water behind us. I think we're gonna try to jump in the water right down here. Some say it's jumpable, some say
It's definitely not jumpable, man.
Man, don't do it. It's not safe, man. Don't do it, bro. Man, you're crazy. Don't do that. Yeah, hit that jump. 2, 3. Bro, your window's passing. Your window's passing. Go, 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 go.
Until the sun comes back.
brother. Do we see sun? Yes. All right, the window's here. Rolling.
What?
Go.
We're not rolling. Are we?
What?
Are you rolling?
Yes.
For sure.
Hit that, hit that.
Oh, it's deep and nice.
Oh, hit the window.
Not even a doubt. Not even a doubt.
About what?
Don't fucking laugh, dude. I cannot believe I was doing that.
How was the water?
So nice.
Do you think you're gonna do it again?
No.
So this is our second batch. First one tasted a little interesting. We're still gonna drink it because we have to. Jack, tell them what it tastes like.
It's a little rosemary.
Very earthy.
Earthy.
Very earthy. Little weird. We'll see if it makes us feel any ways.
This is about to hit us. This rain.
Those clouds over there are beginning to come this way. A couple drops of rain were felt, so we're gonna have to put everything inside.
Yeah.
It's not raining, but
We went. We went from having a nice time in our hammocks to a downpour.
it's not raining though.
All our stuff is like jumbled around in here. Chaos.
You should tell what you did.
The small tent. Terrible.
Who did this?
Jack's shoes got caught in the rainstorm.
Magically just rained on.
The hope is that they'll be dry by tomorrow morning.
Whose hope?
Driving down the road, the twilight comes, the trees get dark, the engine
Since the rain stopped, it's time to summit this, the top of the mountain, one of the tallest in New Mexico.
It's
about a dude in flip-flops.
Like the days and summertime's pour in the midnight. Want to go have a fire on the sand while the ocean long.
Dude, that's like a jumbo hot dog for one of these things.
He smells it.
Yo. Buddy, you are way too comfortable.